Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Nose Hair Trimmer.
Number 5.
Mediaso Ocas N1 Waterproof Nose Hair Trimmer. High-speed motor sharp cutter head waterproof. Portable design, convenient and easy for travel. Mini body shell and back texture surface give you a comfortable feeling. Multi-purpose machine, trim nose hair, trim ear hair, trim corner. "10 minutes automatic power off function, energy saving and environmental protection."
Number 4.
Electric nose hair trimmer, shaving nose hair scissors. Package includes 1* electric nose hair trimmer. Scissors head 360 degrees captures nose hair, multiple cutting faces, enhanced trimming effect, clean and comfortable. Air concealed switch to prevent misoperation. Ergonomic handle for a comfortable grip. Waterproof design for easy cleaning.
Number 3.
WN Epilator manual nose hair trimmer, shaved nose. Reduce skin irritation, multiple skin protection. Quick hair removal, no residue, no pain. Easy to trim, durable and easy to use, energy saving and environmentally friendly. Mechanical operation, no battery, manual operation. Whether you are at the office or on the go, you can use it anytime, anywhere. Mechanical operation, safety and health.
Number 2.
Hair clippers men hair trimmers set electric shaver nose ear. 5-in-1 multifunctional men grooming kit supply hair clipper, hair trimmer, nose ear trimmer, shaver and precision trimmer. It just needs 2 hours fast charging time, equipped with a charging base, direct charge USB data cable, 2 charging mode. It adopts the high hardness hair clipper blades. 4 hair clipper combs, 3/6/9/12. The hair trimmer equipped with most powerful and durable motor, which with high rotational speed for long-lasting use. Suitable for a barber shop and meet home hair cutting needs for men, women, kids, seniors.
Number 1.
Winner 666-2019 electric nose ear. 100% brand new, high quality. Fully functional, barber shave nose hair trimmer, and other parts of the hair can be used. Steel rod head, movable, strong rust prevention, shaving easier, Size 2.5 * 13 centimeters. Removable cleaning blade. The body cannot be washed. Extends into the nasal cavity, cannot exceed 0.5 centimeters. Package includes 1x power cable, 3x hair trimmer, 1x ear hair trimmer holder.